Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to use a screen video audio to text translation or video typing. Some people call them video typing and some they call it speech recognition softwares. So if you're using Kali Linux, there are a couple of things you can install, but to most of them which are installed, they seem to be a little bit challenging and they are difficult to use. So what I decided to do is to use Google Docs. Google Docs works perfectly on Kali Linux, but if you are using your root, the main account on your Kali Linux, it won't work because it doesn't work on Firefox, and that root account, it uses only a Firefox. It doesn't use Chrome. Since this software is from Google and it's free, they made sure that doesn't work on Firefox, it only works on Chrome. So what they're forcing you here to at least have Chrome to use it. So what I did, I created a new account. You know how to create a new user in Kali Linux. Create a new user. I'm not going to create one, but I'm going to show you how to. You just say add, but you're going to say sudo add user, then you put the username, maybe MT, then you say enter. If you say enter, it's going to ask you for the password. Put in the password for that person, for that account. So after doing that, you're going to log out from your account, like here in the, then you log out, then you switch to another account. So once you log out and switch to another account, so that account is going to help you, is going to allow you to install Chrome. But if you did install it in that main account, it's going to work this side, but though it's going to be not working the main account, but on this account it's going to work. So you can see I'm using Kali Linux. You can see I'm using Kali Linux, and what I'm going to say is I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to Google Doc, to Google, log into your Gmail using Google Chrome. Don't forget, Firefox won't work, because let me show you something. You can, if you use Firefox, it's not going to work. It can only work in Chrome. That's the browser I've tested yet. Let me see. You're gonna say gmail.com. Say okay. I'm gonna log in, then I come back. It's gonna say I'm logging in. I'm done with the login. I'm gonna show you the difference here. Okay, let me close this tab, this one. Okay, once we in Firefox, we're going to, and imagine this is the latest Firefox I'm using here, but it doesn't matter, it won't work. It can only work in Chrome. So you go to Firefox, click here and look for Google Docs here. If you click there, then you can create a new one, because we want to do speech recognition. Simply means whatever we're gonna say, it should type it. So you go to tools. Let's wait, this you can see it says this version of Firefox is no longer supported. Please upgrade to a reported browser. When you click reported browser, which one is that? System requirements, add browser. You cannot go into that, all of that. You're not here for that. So what we're gonna do, Google Drive, Docs, Sheet, whatever, all that, leave that alone. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna dismiss this and click on tools. You can see when you click on tools, that option should be here, but it's not here. So same thing, let me go to now this is Google Chrome. So when I go to Google Chrome, I click here and I say Google Docs, and when I click on those Google Docs, I'm gonna click plus here, which means I'm creating a new document. So when I click a new document and I click on tools, you can see it's here, voice typing. You can see voice typing. So when I go back here and I click on tools, you can see there's no voice typing here on Firefox, because they don't support that here on Firefox. Google doesn't support that. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna test what we want to do. You can open your phone and let me say you can open your phone. Let me get this voice typing. Then after that, you click here, you click the start. Then we are trying to start here. You can see whatever word I'm saying, it's being typed here. I put a space and I started a new line. So this simply means you're going to use, maybe there's a video you want to video type. You're going to open your phone, then you play the video, then you open your laptop, then you use Google Docs. After that, everything's gonna be fine. So you can see it gives me Docs now suggests like what I say, get in, say okay, video type, okay, video type. You see, also it depends on your accent. It will work, but now it says this is it is trying to correct this. So that's why it sent me that, okay, video typing. I said video typing did not hear me well, but anyway, it's a very good tool. So let me go to another line. I'm gonna skip. So I'm gonna record. I'm saying I'm recording live. You see, I said I'm recording live. It writes live instead of live. Still it can't get my live, but it's fine. Only those small things, that's what you're going to fix. But anyway, you can use your phone, you record a video or you play sound or a video from your phone, then you do what? You use this tool to type for you. So if the person who's speaking now on the video, he's a good English speaker, you might not find much of errors. Like me, I'm speaking, but some words you can find that it gets a wrong word instead of the right word. You can see even it's faster. It can also match my pace. You get my speed of speaking. You get me? So I hope this helps, guys. But you can reach somewhere like here, then you stop, you skip a line. Yeah, I pressed like a line, then I'm starting a new line or a new paragraph. You get me? So whenever I reach at the end, if you want to do that, even if you're playing a video, you just pause the video. Once you pause the video, this software is gonna stop automatically stop, and then it gives you a chance to skip a line. Then that's gonna be cool. So after that, you can copy this and paste it wherever you wanna paste it. I don't know what you wanna use for the project, but this is the best software you can use. But I was struggling to use it on the main account on Kali Linux. Even people from Windows or anything else, as long as you can install Google Chrome. On phone, I tried on the phone, it did not work. Maybe my phone is small, but try it on the phone and try to use Google Docs. Maybe it's gonna work for you. Let me stop and also skip another line. Yes, we skipped another line and we can see everything's going well now. Instead of installing a software into your laptop and get different setups, here there's no setups, no what. You just open Google Docs, you start recording, everything which you recorded is gonna be typed same time. Yeah guys, I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.